I'm so high. Good girl, I'm so high. Oh, there's a patient here today. Very nice to meet you.
Doctor.
I just had to take a shart. I've been sharting a lot. It's like this disease, like HAHODIS or something. I don't know what it is. So, you have leg problems?
Yes, doctor.
Alright. Let's have a look. Oh.
Are you tired, doctor?
You could say that. Do you want to take my meditation class with me really quick?
Sure.
Alright, it'll relax your soul so much. I'm so high.
I don't know if that means doctor.
Alright, sit cross-legged on the chair. Oh gosh, can you hold my shell? Okay, now give it back. Give it back. Now, pretend you're mindless. You are light in the sea. Melolin Shantenako. Lan Shenako Nahino. Land watching the hala, Allah, Allah. Ooh, Ochinala. Now put your hands out like this. This is the receiving mode of the gifted. Now repeat the calming phrase with me. For the poor.
For the poor.
Crap on your mother's head.
Your mother's head.
And you might experience a little laughter throughout this ceremony. Arms for your mom.
Arms for your mom.
Legs for your dad.
Legs for your dad.
Chests for your brother.
Chest for your brother.
Face for your dog.
Face for your dog.
Now repeat the ceremony again. No, laughter is normal, okay? Throughout this ceremony, you will laugh so hard your mama's pants will fall out. Because I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a far. Alms for the poor. Hey, patient. Where are you going, patient? You better not be sitting in my chair. Come here. Let me give you a massage.